glorified horse throat from Paisley and Floats in Tuggerah, so yeah, it's not too bad.
What's it got in? Thanks, Nick. Hey folks, Ben from Smoking Hot Confessions here. It's done and dusted, day 2 at Kangaroo Valley Craft Beer and Barbecue Festival.
Hi, Brad.
Smooth. And so, clowns.
At least we've got an audience. We must be popular.
Audience or a group of hecklers?
Audience.
Anyway, Lukas, Rollin Smoke. Mate, how are you?
I'm good, buddy. How you doing?
Good. What's life like at the pointy end of the ladder?
It's not too shabby. It's not too shabby. It keeps us busy, but it's not too shabby.
Absolutely. So this is the last comp of the year. Is this, are you sliding in a few sneaky SCAs before the end of the year, or is this it for you?
We've got one SCA till the end of the year, and that's about it.
Awesome. Now, I can't help but notice the big blue elephant in the room.
Mm-hmm.
You've significantly upgraded digs since I last saw you. Tell us about it.
Yeah, it's nice. It's glorified horse throat from Paisley and Floats in Tuggerah, so yeah, it's not too bad.
What's it got in? Thanks, Nick. Nice. Subtle.
See what I've got to put up with?
Yeah. As I said before, clowns.
Yes.
Clowns. So, give me that thing.
At least he's not playing porn this time.
Off.
Oh.
Off. So tell us what's inside.
So we've got some bunks in the front, some cabinets, and it's a bit bare at the moment until we fit her out properly.
So the fit out's not quite finished?
Nah, we've got some cupboards and sinks to go in.
Now I did notice when I went through yesterday, it's kind of partitioned. So you've got the bunks in the kitchen in the front.
Yep.
What's happening in the back?
In the back, it's just where all the smokers and all the good stuff goes.
And so, what are you actually cooking on these days? Because I've seen a bit of a shift of cookers.
Yeah. So at the moment, we've got 3 drums in there and a pellet cooker of some description.
Did you say pellet cooker?
Yeah.
I thought that was a dirty word at Rollin Smoke.
I'll cook on anything. I'm not racist.
Yeah, there's actually quite a shift in the industry. I think I've only seen maybe 4 offsets at this competition this weekend.
It's handy to be lazy.
Yeah, sleeping's good.
It is very good.
Yeah. So early on this year, you went and did a big trip around the States.
That was last year.
Was that last year?
That was last year.
God, this year's gone fast.
Tell me about it.
So what's happening 2020?
We don't know yet. Something.
Well, that just kind of ended the ended that line of questioning.
We'll do something. Probably a lot of comps.
Have you got any plans for trips overseas?
Not yet. No set plans.
Okay. So either no set plans or just not willing to share yet, which is also cool because there is a certain amount of strategy that needs to be kept under the hat.
That's not strategy, it's just I just spent a lot of money, so I've got none left.
Fair enough. Well, mate, you definitely have one of the best rigs here, and I reckon you're going to be set up ready to hit it in 2020.
Yep.
So how far off the lead are you for, does Kangaroo Valley this weekend, does that have the potential to bump you up into
Nah,
the first place?
this one's run and done this year.
So this is just for fun this weekend?
This is just, it's Kangaroo Valley. We never do well, but we still come back because it's a great comp.
It has been a ripper this year as well. It's been wild.
This is our bad juju comp, this one, so...
Good to get it out of the system then.
It's just one of those ones you have to keep doing.
Yeah, got to clear that negative energy, just keep rolling.
That's it.
Hence Rollin Smoke. There you go.
Something along with
Did you
that.
like how I did that? That was cool.
It's a good segue.
Yeah. All right, man. Well, look,
Thanks, buddy.
thanks very much. I'm going to let you keep packing up and best of luck next year.
We're done. We'll just put this on.